Yes, hello. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Hello.
My name is
This is
Minh.
Minh.
Minh. Okay, Minh. Are you ready? So what it is? This is a Jung jungle.
Jungle.
Okay, this is elephant. And this is jungle. Okay. What are these? Mountain. Mountain. Okay. So this one. Minh.
Monkey.
What is this?
Monkey.
River. Okay, what is this? This is a igloo. Okay. What is this? What animal is this? Zebra. Okay, what is this? This is a giraffe. Okay, and what is this? Parrot, yes. What is this? It is a snake. Okay. And what is this? It's an elephant. Okay. What can you do? Okay. What can you do? I can. What is this? I can. Stomp. Yes. What can you do? I can. I can. Jump. I can jump. What can you do? I can. I can sing. What can you do? I can. Climb. What can you do? Yes, what is this? Clap. Clap my hands. Okay, what can you do? I can. Yes, I can run. And next, what can you do? I can. Crawl. I can crawl. What do you like? I like
an apple.
Okay. What do you like? Water. Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Yes. What do you like? What are these? Yes. What are these? It is
It is
ba
butter.
banana.
Banana.
What are these? What are these? Oh,
Orange.
orange. Yes, good. Okay. What are these? Pineapple. Okay, and the story. Okay, so this one we finished. High five.
Yeah.
Yes.